See, I just would like to say thank you a lot kasi you're always making us happy. You're the source of our strength. Ikaw ang naging reason kung bakit Mommy and Daddy are working hard for you and Ate. And anak, stay always sweet, happy. Sa hindi ko nakakalap sa anak ko ito, I am so proud of her. Kasi she's 7 years old but she's so responsible. May gadgets yan pag tiyawag ko, anak, I'm here, we will sleep na. She will put it away, right away, without telling her twice. Pag study time, siya pang nag-i-encourage sa lahat ng i-study time. Sa gabi, siya po ang nagre-read always for us to pray. Siya po minsan madalas ang nag-read ng prayer sa amin, especially pag kababiyakin kami. Ganyan kung kapait na bata ito, sobra. And I am so proud of her talaga. Anak, may you always be blessed by God. I know that you will be, you will grow up a wonderful kid dahil you are surrounded by wonderful people. Surrounded ka ng mga tao na maayos, mabait, mga may takot sa Diyos. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat dahil nandito kayong lahat dahil binigyan nyo ng chance na maging memorable yung birthday ng anak ko. And I wish you wish ko lang sana tupatin yung usapan natin na mag-boyfriend na at age of 41. Ay, may question lang ako sa close friends ni Kit. Sino ang crush kay Neil? Who had a crush on Neil? Mateo!
Wait for the 41 years old.
I will allow her 41 years old.